Pedernales Falls is a Texas state park west of Austin. I've never been there, so Cobra Kyle and I figured we would go explore some trails. We checked out Wolf Mountain Trail, which was rated as a black diamond on TrailForks. I'm fairly certain that was rated for hiker. It turned out to be a wide fire road with difficult climbs and fast descents, but that's about it.
Is the whole trail like this, do you know? Oh. Most of it's like this.
We did venture off of Wolf Mountain Trail and found a short section that was challenging and fun, but we quickly ended up back on the fire road.
I was like, I don't know where to look. Oh boy. Oh, I'm not in a good gear. Oh, barely made it. Forgot the downshift. All right, we're fisting.
Yeah. You got this, man.
Yeah. Oh. Hold on, I lost my speed. Hold on, I'm still in it. Oh, come on, go. Just took a little break there in the middle. Wow, we're losing some elevation. Oh boy. Oh my God, that was scary. A little rutted.
After that, we gave Trammel Crossing a try. It started as a very fast descent on a wide trail that came to the river.
Oh, that sucked. Oh, this is gonna suck getting out.
We did consider crossing this river, but after asking hikers what the trail was like on the other side, we decided against it. The hiker explained it was a very smooth and wide path, calling it very nice. That's not what we were looking for on a mountain bike, so we turned back disappointed. At this point, we were desperate to find some real trail. We branched off and found a very short trail. It was fun while it lasted.
Jeez. Oh God. I'm not even coming down then. It sucks.
Before we left, we rode Warfel Trail, a quarter-mile trail with some fun spots.
Oh, some big ones. Oh. Ugh. That's not easy. A little sloppy. Getting up it too, look at that.
It looks like we should have just tried Juniper Ridge Trail. It was our original plan to ride this trail, but there is virtually no cell service out there and we spent about 45 minutes trying to meet up. We didn't have enough time to dedicate to a trail that long. We'll have to get back out there and give it another shot. For now, if you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up, it really helps others find this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.